Good morning, all. Day 5 today. Start with some leg workout. So, basement is most important. Most of them skip the leg workout. So, do daily with 100 sit up and handstand, strengthening the upper body. Leg split stretches is most important. Must do stretch exercise and do some other more stretches. After that, cold shower. Washing cloth and keeping your surrounding clean. That helps you give very good feel. After shower, I like to apply the sandalwood. So sandalwood helps to keep your whole body temperature at a neutral level. So keep the sandal paste in the center of your tilak, in the center of your eyebrow. Balance your all nadis. So try to use the original sandalwood. They have a lot of fake with acid. They have a lot of acid. Swami Sanamayappa. This is Sasta temple, Ayyappa temple. So show your gratitude towards the God, nature, family, friends, plant, animals, whatever around us. We have all, even small molecules that are supporting us in many different ways. So start my day with the tulsi with tender coconut. Tulsi reduce anxiety, anger, and also tender coconut have the very good benefits I already told in before last videos. Tender coconut is the best food ever in this world. So mix the both and we'll get very good flavor. Don't drink fresh juice in normal juice shop. They put a lot of sugar. After drink, read some books and I had my breakfast. Then start checking my order. Just enter to our workspace. So this is a card, two types of card. Just explaining here, it's a double coated card, it's a single coated card. So these two types of palm tree cards is 100% natural card. So I like to sell only the natural product. Here I always prefer what I prefer myself. That only I prefer to my customers. Always check the quality. So win situation. It's good for universe, good for customer, good for us. So everyone want to be happy in this business. So then only we can grow very easily. So our intention is good, everything will be good. So again back to the pond. Shower is almost like recharging ourselves. Yeah, here we found on tortoise. So in small age we just catch the tortoise and again drop into the water. Same thing. Yeah, just for fun. Yeah, finally with again with sandalwood. We rub the sandalwood and apply the paste in the night time. That give very good sleep and also the smell make you very relaxed. And so there are a lot of benefits in sandalwood. So only use the original one. Swami Sarnamayyappa. This is Shasta temple. Show gratitude towards the God. Thanks for the day. Everyone want to be happy. Worship for the world peace. Always be in the present situation. Always be happy with what you have. Always think positive and you can able to do whatever you want. No need to rush, but you always be creative. After shower, just do some small stretches, some basic stretches. Child pose, then cobra pose. So end of the day you are doing a lot of things, so your body needs some stretches. Only work according to your body. That's the only tips I again and again repeating everywhere. Raja Kapotasana, King Cobra pose. Bend your spine is most important thing. So daily Chakrasana, Dhanurasana, this asana everyone need to do. And child pose. Then off Sirasasana and Sirasasana, Ardha Sirasasana or Sirasasana. That means headstand. Good circulation, blood circulation for your face. And also improve the hair growth and also beard growth. And also good for your eyes. Now peacock pose. Then Dhanurasana. When you're doing every pose, your breath should be normal. This movement gives strengthening your abdomen, gastric issue, digestion issue, that will be cured when you're doing this movement. Enjoy the flow. Always enjoy the flow. Enjoy every second. We are lucky to be a human. Birth by human is very lucky. So use is in all the way. Relax. After that, I like to read the Tirumular Tirumandram. Even if you take any one page in the book, if you read, you get lot of meanings, millions of meanings in there. Same like Tirukural. Tirukural for there have a lot of discipline in Tirukural. So read Tirukural, Tirumandram. Finally, we got the prasadam from temple. Have banana and sweet and chenna. Finally, with kadukkai, after food, half an hour you use kadukkai and have a good sleep.